Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so we shall see about today's topic on freezing and drying. So, what is freezing and drying? It is nothing but a unit operation in the food processing industry. So, freezing is preserving the food in cold temperature, and drying is the preserving the food in hot temperature, but both are preservation method. Okay, so can you please have a group discussion on freezing and drying so that people who are watching this video can detailedly understand between freezing and drying. Okay? Okay.
Freezing is a food preservation method using low temperature below 18 degrees Celsius. It helps storing food for a long time without spoilage. Freezing is a slow down microbial growth significantly. Freezing reduces enzyme activity but not completely stop it.
So let me tell about drying. Drying is a preservation method by removal of moisture from food, reduce water activity and prevent from microbial growth. It can be done by sun drying and mechanical drying. It involves heat transfer and mass transfer process. Drying increases shelf life by preventing spoilage.
So now I am telling about freezing. Freezing is a maintained nutritional value better than the many other methods. Freezing helps to natural color, texture and flavor. Freezing is the formation of a ice crystal inside food after texture.
So let me continue about drying. Drying causes concentration of nutrients and flavors, and this may lead to loss of heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C. Drying also reduces weight and volume and making its storage easier. And it is used for foods like grains, spices, fruits, vegetables, and fish. And improper drying can cause case hardening or spoilage, and that's one.
Then let me tell about freezing. In quick freezing produces a small ice crystals. It is a better quality. Freezing requires a continuous cold storage. In cold chain maintenance, it is mainly used for foods like meat, vegetables, fruits, and dairy products. Improper drying causes hardening or spoilages.
Okay, so you have tell about the drying and freezing. So to conclude, drying and freezing are both important in the food industry. Okay, so it depends upon the type of food you are processing. The freezing or drying can be used. Okay, so on compared to drying, more vitamins can be lost, but in freezing, vitamins can be stored. Okay, so and also the disadvantage in freezing is that you should go for slow freezing, or the crystal formation will be tearing the layers of the food in the fast freezing. Okay. So there are some complications in drying. In drying means you have to maintain the temperature. Right? So both in drying and freezing there are some complications, but depending upon the food material you can use the drying process or freezing process. Okay. So I would like to tell a small incident, and so which is better, sun drying or oven drying is better? So you can go for sun drying. It's a natural process, but oven drying you can take very low time for drying the product. Okay. So here During centering process, microbials can be attacked. So this can be considered as a empathy. Okay. So what is the alternative for drying? You can go for quick freezing to prevent the spoiling. Okay. So drying or freezing is better for it, depending upon the food product type. So thank you. We shall meet in the next week.
And thank you.